For most of human history, lightning was the only flash of electricity we knew. It was wild, dangerous, and untouchable. Yet today, with just a switch, we command that same power to light entire cities. How did this transformation happen? This is the incredible journey of electricity. From mysterious sparks in the sky to glowing light bulbs in our homes. Electricity is so common today that we rarely stop to wonder where it all began. But the story of how we learned to understand, control, and finally harness electricity is one of the most fascinating sagas in science. Let's travel back through time and see how humanity tamed one of nature's most powerful forces. The first clues appeared thousands of years ago. The ancient Greeks noticed that amber, when rubbed with fur, could attract feathers and bits of straw. They had no idea what caused this, but it was the earliest observation of static electricity. Much later, in the 1600s, William Gilbert, physician to Queen Elizabeth I, studied these strange attractions and gave us the term electricus. But electricity remained mysterious until the 18th century. Benjamin Franklin's famous kite experiment in 1752 revealed that lightning and electricity were the same force of nature. Risking his life in a storm, Franklin's bold idea forever changed how we understood the sky's most powerful display. Discovery was one thing, but control was another. In 1800, Alessandro Volta built the first true battery, the voltaic pile. It provided a steady current of electricity for experiments, and his name still lives on in the term volt. This invention opened the floodgates for electrical research. A generation later, Michael Faraday changed everything with his discovery of electromagnetic induction. By moving a magnet through a coil of wire, he showed that electricity could be generated endlessly. This single principle became the foundation for generators, transformers, and the power grid itself. Once electricity could be generated, inventors looked to put it to use. Humphrey Davy experimented with arc lamps, brilliant but impractical. Later, Thomas Edison and Joseph Swan perfected the incandescent bulb, bringing steady, affordable light to homes and workplaces. Suddenly, night could be turned into day. Electricity also carried messages. In 1837, Samuel Morse developed the telegraph, allowing information to travel faster than ever before. For the first time, news could cross continents in minutes instead of weeks. Electricity was no longer just light and power. It was communication. But there was still a question. How should electricity be delivered? In the late 1800s, Thomas Edison championed direct current, or DC, while Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse pushed alternating current, or AC. The war of currents was fierce, but in the end, AC proved more efficient for long-distance transmission. That decision shaped the global power systems we use today. But you can check the I button for alternating current versus direct current, which is better. Then, cities built power stations and networks of wires stretched across nations. Electricity no longer belonged only to scientists and inventors. It became part of daily life. From factories to streetlights, from telegraphs to trolleys, the modern world was switched on. From ancient amber stones to the rivalry of Edison and Tesla, from lightning bolts to glowing bulbs, the history of electricity is a story of human curiosity turned into power. And it continues today, guiding us into a future filled with new discoveries, from renewable energy to quantum technology. If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to subscribe to Electroscope. We'll keep exploring the science that lights up our world.